Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a GE dishwasher. To perform a hard reset on a GE dishwasher, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to locate the circuit breaker or fuse that power the dishwasher, and then you have to turn it off. Alternatively, you have to unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet. After that, you have to leave the dishwasher without power for about 5 minutes. After the waiting period, restore the power to the dishwasher by flipping the circuit breaker back on or plugging it back to the power outlet. Some GE dishwasher may require a specific sequence to reset the control panel. For that, you have to consult your dishwasher manual for any specific button combination or sequence is needed to reset the control panel. Once your dishwasher power is restored, the dishwasher may initialize. This could involve light flashing or control panel displaying some indicator. After that, you have to run a short cycle on your dishwasher to check the hard reset is successfully resolved the issue or not. Hopefully this video help you to reset your GE dishwasher. Thanks for watching.